Yo, dear world, no open already for this. You see, if you have a major disease where you think cannot be cured, or which your legal drugs dealer, which you call your doctor, can't be cured, yo, you need to take out your pen and your paper. I'm going to prove to you that right now, you can fix the disease here. I'm going to give you a strategy and you're going to need your pen and your paper. Yo, this is one of the biggest video in the world on health. And it has to do with fasting. We're going to use fasting and fix it. I'm going to tell you how, I'm going to tell you how much hour, I'm going to tell you what to do. And I'm going to give you the exact strategy and the pinpoint there from A to B, how to do it. Are you ready for this? Alright, stuck this through with me. Take your time. Alright, so according to Yoshinori Ohsumi from Japan in 2016, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for what he has discovered. Why man discover? He has discovered that has to do with our cells cleaning and repairing damaged cells. This is healing on a cellular level. His method is called the autophagy. He found out that we can put our body in the state of autophagy, of healing. Remember, me, I don't know, me and the best reader in our world. Do your research. This is done by restraining from food for a certain period of time. On average, autophagy starts at about 16 hours of not eating any food. This is why intermittent fasting can have profound effect on your health. Now watch the benefits. Benefits of autophagy: reduce inflammation, stronger immune system, anti-aging and longevity, anti-cancer and anti-tumor, healing of diseases and sicknesses, recycling of old and weak cells. Stick it out with me. Elimination of pathogens. The top 5 benefits of autophagy. You get rid of. Alright, so we were at top 5 benefits of autophagy. Get rid of senescent cells, improving mitochondria health, eliminating viral infection cells, reducing cellular apoptosis, create a stronger and more stress resilient body and mind. Time of fasting. So when you do 4 hour, your blood sugar drop, right? 16 hour, you start burning mainly fat. 36 hour, autophagy increase by 30%. 48 hours, your HGH increases 500%. Do some research. 54 hours, your insulin sensitivity increases for the people with die with the biscuit, which you call diabetes. 72 hours, your ketosis rises and rises exponentially. Receiver there, HGH, human growth hormone, which literally can fix anything in the body. Human growth hormone is a small protein. It is made in part of the human brain called the pituitary gland. It travels in your bloodstream all over your body to make your body grow. Yo, listen, man. People, fasting cures any disease. KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system. Support the book. on Amazon and on my website, the Clothesline and the One for All Remedy Holistic 8.